What'd you say?
Very well. I said somehow things are looking a little different right here. My opener's supposed to be right there.
Where's it at?
Your
I
opener?
don't know.
Sure, it's around here
It's
somewhere.
supposed to be right there.
Hmm.
So where's by their toaster? That toaster was too good to pitch. After I thought, that one was pretty. I bought it because it was
Right down
pretty. And then after I bought it, what?
Toaster?
It's behind the grinder, right?
No, toasters.
Oh yeah, that grinder was there because I didn't know when you bought stuff at Costco, they got a grinder right there
Yeah.
where you get your hot
Oh, yeah.
dogs and that, but I didn't know that. So then I bought stuff there and anyway, so then I had to go back and buy the grinder. Huh?
Where's your bottle opener?
That's what I said.
It's right here.
Yeah, that's one of them. I'm talking about that yellow one, my fancy one that's normally right there all the time.
That, you may wanna put that one there, I'm not sure where that one would get off to.